Home security is a top priority for homeowners in Sugar Land, Texas. With growing concerns about safety, one of the most effective ways to protect your home is by ensuring you have high-quality doors installed. A well-built and properly installed door acts as the first line of defense against intruders, severe weather, and everyday wear and tear. If you're looking to enhance your home security, investing in quality door installation is a smart decision. The importance of secure doors. Your front door is more than just an entryway. It's a critical component of your home's security system. A weak, poorly installed, or outdated door can make your home vulnerable to break-ins. According to security experts, nearly 34% of burglars enter homes through the front door. This statistic underscores the importance of having a door that is not only aesthetically pleasing but also structurally strong and resistant to forced entry. Features of a secure door. When selecting a door for security purposes, it's essential to consider key features that can enhance its effectiveness. Solid core material. Doors made from solid wood, metal, or fiberglass offer better resistance against forced entry compared to hollow core doors. High-quality locks. A secure door should be paired with a strong deadbolt lock, preferably one that extends at least 1 inch into the door frame. Reinforced door frames. A durable frame made from steel or reinforced wood helps prevent intruders from kicking in the door. Smart locks and security features. Many homeowners in Sugar Land are now opting for smart locks with keyless entry and remote monitoring to add an extra layer of security. Impact-resistant glass. If your door has glass panels, ensure they are reinforced or made of impact-resistant material to prevent break-ins. Professional door installation. Why it matters. Even the strongest door will fail to provide adequate security if it is not installed correctly. Professional door installation ensures that your new door is properly aligned, securely fitted, and reinforced for maximum security. Here's why professional installation is essential. Precision fit. A poorly fitted door can create gaps, making it easier for intruders to pry it open. Professionals ensure a snug and secure fit. Enhanced durability. Proper installation reduces wear and tear, ensuring your door lasts longer and maintains its security features. Compliance with local building codes. Experts are familiar with Sugar Land's building regulations and will ensure your door meets all required safety standards. Time and cost efficiency. DIY door installation may seem cost-effective, but mistakes can lead to additional expenses in repairs and security risks. Professional installers do the job right the first time, saving you time and money. Choosing the right door installation company in Sugar Land. When it comes to enhancing your home's security, choosing a reputable door installation company is crucial. Look for companies that have experience and expertise. Opt for a company with a proven track record in high-quality door installations. Positive customer reviews. Read testimonials and online reviews to gauge customer satisfaction. Variety of options. A good company should offer a wide selection of doors, from traditional to high-tech security doors. Warranty and service guarantees. Ensure the company offers warranties on both the door and installation services. Additional security tips for homeowners. while installing a high-quality door is an excellent step towards better home security. Consider these additional measures for extra protection. Install security cameras. A visible camera can deter potential intruders. Use motion-activated lights. These lights illuminate dark areas around entry points, making it harder for burglars to go unnoticed. Reinforce other entry points. Don't forget about windows, back doors, and garage doors. Maintain landscaping. Overgrown shrubs and trees can provide cover for intruders. Keep them trimmed to enhance visibility. Conclusion. Ensuring your home's security starts with quality door installation. By choosing a sturdy, well-installed door, you can protect your home, belongings, and loved ones from potential threats. If you're in Sugarland and looking to upgrade your home's security, partnering with a trusted door installation professional will provide peace of mind and long-term protection. Don't wait until it's too late. Invest in a secure door today and enjoy the confidence of a well-protected home.